everything. For me, Tantra means everything. Why? Because you need to understand this word, Tantra. This is not a real word. It's an illusion. Ah sound comes because of the limitation of English language. Like Yog becomes Yoga, Ram becomes Rama, Shiv becomes Shiva, Krishna becomes Krishna. Same way the Tantra becomes Tantra. So the actual word is not Tantra, actual word is Tantra. So Tantra is a limitation of language. But when we talk about Tantra, Tantra means technique, means system. System to experience or to make something better, to transform something into something. Like you have a respiratory system, so we call it in Sanskrit Swasan Tantra. When you take oxygen, what is happening actually? In this system, you are taking oxygen and oxygen is converting into your life. So transformation is happening. Air is transforming into life. So that's why it's called Swasan Tantra. So anywhere where some transformation is happening, any kind of transformation, it's called Tantra. So for me, I see transformation everywhere. You see this beautiful tree, and if you look about this tree's seed, it's so small, like you cannot even imagine that how it's possible to have such a big tree inside this small seed. So this is a transformation of a small seed into this huge, large life. So for me, Tantra is everything. Eating, sleeping, talking, walking, shooting, everything. Everything is Tantra for me. Everything is Tantra for me.